はい。今日のビデオは少しワイヤリングのメンテナンスですね。So, I took Mikatsuki 3,400 kilometers from where I was currently living. Man, I gotta tell you guys, this is a whole different video. I think I have like a movie theme I can make out of the stories. But anyway, one of the little culprits of what held me back actually is right here. Down here, somehow this was a bit too loose. There was a bee got in here and was literally frying on this wire here. The bee was like cooking there, shorting on the wire, which is actually the relocation kit for my battery. So now we're gonna fix that. We're gonna clean this all up, secure it, clean up in here because there's a bit of a short in here as well. But other than that, man, like, who would have thought? I was such a hater on V8s, I'm not gonna lie. Everyone that knows me knows, V8s, blah blah blah. But listen, VH41 DE 4.1 liter V8 from Nissan Sima. If I understand correctly, it's the Infiniti Q45, but you gotta watch out. You want to make sure you get the Spider intake, not the other one. That other one's garbage, supposedly. Anyway, who am I to say that? But do your research, you'll see. Anyway, I'm gonna fix this up, and yeah, hopefully a lot more content with this guy, more photos and everything, and yeah. じゃあまたね。